Hi, I'm Marty Holmes, Product Marketing Manager for QLogic Corporation, the only company delivering a complete 8 gigabit fiber channel network solution, including HBAs, switches, and fabric management software. With the QLogic solution, you get all the benefits of network storage without having to be a SAN expert. Today, I'm here to introduce the Sandbox 5802V, the newest member of our award-winning Sandbox 5000 series of fiber channel stackable switches, designed to provide you with the most cost-effective way to begin or expand your storage network. In addition to blazing 8 gigabit device port performance, Sandbox 5802V helps eliminate the cost and complexity of trunking interswitch links, with stacking technology turbocharged by the industry's first implementation of 20 gigabit fiber channel. This is a stack of Sandbox 5802V switches. Each is equipped with 20 ports for servers and storage, as well as 4 ultra-high-speed stacking ports dedicated for switch-to-switch connections. Because the stacking ports run at a much higher speed than the device ports, far fewer connections are required, making the SAN easier and more cost-effective to manage. With this next-generation 5802V, the stacking ports are active by default, running at 10 gigabit. There's no longer a need to license them separately. Basic switch-to-switch connectivity is now included with the product. You can start a small SAN with as few as 8 device ports enabled. As your network requirements grow, it's easy to add more switches, up to 6 in a stack, that can be managed as a single entity. Wherever there are multiple links between switches, the stacking links auto-configure for balanced trunking with no need for manual intervention. In short, you can now add servers and storage capacity quickly and non-disruptively to meet today's demands, with a simple built-in path to respond to tomorrow's requirements. This is the value of the stacking architecture. Stackable Ethernet switches are pervasive because their performance and cost scale better than any other Ethernet switch architecture. QLogic pioneered stackable fiber channel switches for the same reason. Their performance and cost scale better than any other fiber channel switch architecture. Here's how you scale a mesh of single-speed, non-stackable switches from other vendors. Multiple device ports that you paid for to connect servers and storage are instead used as interswitch links. In addition, you incur software license fees to bind these links into a trunk. On top of that, when you add, change, or delete switches, your fabric is disrupted. The larger the fabric, the more expensive and complex it becomes. Now let's do the same thing using stackable switches. All the ports you purchased are available to connect storage and servers. None are wasted for ISLs. To expand, simply connect your dedicated always-on 10 gigabit stacking ports. No complex provisioning, no additional license fees, no disruption to your network. In the initial stages of 8 gigabit transition, most SANs will run with a mixture of 8 gigabit, 4 gigabit, and even 2 gigabit devices. Sandbox 5802V is 100% backwards compatible with these devices and with SFP optics of all speeds, providing a cost-effective means to protect your infrastructure investments. As 8 gigabit devices gradually become the majority, many users will choose to activate the optional 20 gigabit stacking port upgrade. 20 gigabit, the world's fastest fiber channel, delivers an unprecedented amount of bandwidth. For example, a self-configured trunk of dual 20 gigabit links provides the equivalent performance of 12 4 gigabit connections. Stacking saves these ports for servers and storage and eliminates the cost of additional fiber cables and optics. 20 gigabit fiber channel extends the stability, cost savings, and performance benefits of stacking to next generation SANs. Best of all, 20 gigabit fiber channel is an optional license key, so there's no need to pay for the functionality ahead of time. And because 20 gigabit uses the same cabling as 10 gigabit, there's no need to modify your topology. You can upgrade your entire SAN with the click of a mouse. Only QLogic provides this incredibly cost-effective, pay-as-you-grow path to a fully activated 8 gigabit SAN. Prepare your network for tomorrow's challenges with Sandbox 5802V, the next generation solution for today's infrastructure. To learn more about how 8 gigabit fiber channel can enhance your specific application, explore QLogic.com for product information, solutions briefs, customer case studies, and technology white papers.